ahead and y'all spray these little babies up because they is thirsty. They need some agua. Oh my god, y'all smell so good.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love.
A1 got it, y'all, and we in the plant closet today. Let me go ahead and show you what I've been working on, what I've been growing in the plant closet now. Remember, I would not be doing like seedings like that like I did last year because I'm gonna tell you something. Seedings, honey, is not for the weak. It is not for the weak. And ooh, I was so overwhelmed, baby. I was like, yo, this can't be life because these seedings is seeding, baby. Listen, for those who be doing the seedings, listen, I give y'all flowers, honey. I clap for y'all 1,000 times. Cause baby, I guess because I live in an apartment, so it's more harder for me to do seedings. How somebody can do seedings who got like a backyard or whatever the case may be. That's it. Baby, I said I can't do it, and I didn't do it like that. But I did do a few seedings, and I want to try this method. Now I showed you already the method I went ahead and tried, y'all. For those who are new to my page, first time seeing my videos, let me go ahead and show you what I went ahead and been doing. And for those who keep rocking with your girl, you know how to do. I love y'all forever, y'all. Cause we like this, y'all. We besties. We play besties, okay, y'all? You know, plastic bag method, y'all. Clock it. Clock, 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 clock. It's my cucumber, honey. When I tell you cucumbers right here is doing what it's doing, honey, it's doing what it's supposed to be doing, honey. Ain't listen, my cucumber ain't letting up at all. It's like I'm here. Cucumbers growing there outside here. Y'all see the cucumbers? So I started growing these on April the 15th, 2026. Remind you guys, these are from Dollar Tree. Yes, Dollar Tree seeds. What happened? Oh, let me go ahead and show you something else for y'all. You know I'm Dollar Tree queen, okay? This right here is at Dollar Tree. Now, if you go to Dollar Tree, y'all, and you see this water bottle, I'm gonna tell you something. Grab how many you can grab. These are good water bottles, y'all. Okay, I ain't gonna leave a lot of y'all. I ain't gonna gatekeep y'all. I ain't gonna sugarcoat nothing. These water bottles right here at Dollar Tree, let me tell you something. It's $125. They spray so good, y'all. They is good quality. We need a good water bottle, baby. Let me tell you something. This right here gonna get you right every time. So I'm about to go ahead and spray my little seedings I got going on. Now remember I said I was gonna do a seeding, but I ain't doing it how I was doing it last year. I'm doing like maybe the most like 10 because I'm getting a community garden this year, y'all. Hopefully in God willing, so I'll be actually like growing vegetables and fruits inside a garden bed. Y'all, I'm so happy about it. So let me go ahead and y'all spray these little babies up because they is thirsty. They need some agua. They is thirsty. Oh my god, y'all smell so good. And I ain't even like exaggerating, y'all. They smell real good. It's last year I tried it in the cup. It was working. But let me tell you something. Something about the bag. Whoever invented growing seeds in the bag, let me tell you something, baby. Clap it up again. I gotta clap it up for you again. I don't know who invented that. But whoever invented that, I salute you 1,000 times, y'all. I grew at the same time, April the 15th. All 4 of these is grew on April the 15th, y'all. Just like a little update of my seeds growing inside the bag. Now the peppers ain't really showing out normally how they really be doing. So yeah, but that's how they look and whatnot. I don't got too much soil because, like I say, you don't need that much soil when you're doing like bag gardening. Cause remember, it's all about portions and whatnot. But those are the chili peppers, y'all. You guys can see those chili peppers. And next up, we got some Roma tomatoes. Now these right here ain't doing too good how I wanted to be doing. They're a little bit leggy because I guess they was like trying to fight for the light and whatnot, how they say that go. And I'm gonna go ahead and try these over. And I did add some perlite, but not that much perlite. Now I messed up because I'm not supposed to be using compost when it comes to seedlings because the compost is too rich for the seedlings. You know what I'm saying? That go later on when they get a little bit more, you know what I'm saying, more advanced. But that's all I had. I told my husband, can you go to Target, get me some soil? He was taking too long to go ahead and get some soil for me. So I just like was being fast. And you know what? I gotta get these. I gotta start a mission. Growing too good because it's too rich for them. The nutrients is too much for them. Cucumbers is very hardy plant, so they're gonna grow. And yeah, as you guys can see again, the cucumbers are doing awesome. These were the first ones to sprout, believe it or not, y'all. And the last ones I have in the bag today is some squash. It's called summer squash. Now I never in my life ate squash. Eggplant before, which is so good, by the way. I didn't know eggplants was that good. I like to saute them out with some coconut oil and some onions. Ooh, baby. What he at? But this right here, I never had a squash in my life. So basically, I want to see what it's about. And I went ahead and put some holes here, y'all, because it was a little bit too soggy and it wasn't working. So they're not doing too good, y'all. Nothing has sprouted as of yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this soil back in my compost soil bin today, y'all, in the little garden bag for as me growing my seedlings in anyway. So first time actually like growing strawberries in my whole entire life. These from Dollar Tree, and it come with like a strawberry container, guys. Came with this right here, that, and it came with also these two. It came with 4 of these coconut quart, and then like they'll spam, we put water on it, so on it and things like that. But I caught myself trying to grow these. Let me show you guys what I caught myself trying to grow that. Alpine strawberries. I planted these on the 29th of March, y'all, and they do need a little bit of water. They're very, very thirsty and parched. Very gotta stay extra moist. They love to like stay extra moist. Strawberries are very divas. Like they need all the attention in the world, and I just been neglecting them though. Look how they go ahead and look so far, you know. And I gotta say, first time growing strawberries, I don't know if they're gonna work for me or not. But if they don't work, guess what, y'all? I'm gonna make it work, okay? So that's about it. What I got to show you guys today, as my seeds and my seeds. I'm looking around like see what else I got, y'all. But like I said, I ain't doing too much. I ain't doing too much at all. And those are my seedlings I got in the bag that I'm growing so far. If you have any questions, please hit me up in the comments. You want to go ahead and subscribe. You watch this on YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Hit the subscribe button. It's free to show love. If you watch me on TikTok right now, go ahead, follow, like, comment, share, all that good stuff, baby. Because guess what? I'm a beginner like y'all. Beginner for those who are beginning too. You know what I'm saying? I'm learning as I go. I ain't no pro. I ain't no garden, you know what I'm saying, type of guru or whatever like that. I'm learning as I go. And I'm also making it work the best way I could in my situation. You guys see, I'm in the closet right now. I got my clothes over here to the side. Got my little stand right here. Got my little light. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got the best lighting, but guess what, y'all? I'm going to show up every time and being better than you was yesterday. Okay, y'all? So if you feeling me, make sure you guys holler back. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, I'm here. I'm here. Just like that, y'all. So happy growing. Happy garden. Stay glowing and stay going. All right, y'all? That's the post. And I'll see you guys later. Because garden what? Garden Nation. We about to be outside this summer. We gotta be outside. I'm about to get a garden pot, y'all. It's gotta be on and popping. Clock it.